Ready to amplify your data insights by weaving Instagram's vibrant world into your Qlik dashboards. First, open your Qlik app and navigate to the Data Load Editor. This is where the magic begins. Next, in the Data Load Editor, create a new connection. Qlik offers a wide array of pre-built connectors, but for Instagram, we'll typically need to use a REST connector or a dedicated third-party connector designed for social media APIs. If using a REST connector, carefully configure the connection details. This includes the Instagram API endpoint URL, any necessary parameters for your data request, and most importantly, your authentication credentials, usually an access token or API key, to authorize the connection. Now, craft your load script. This script will specify the data you want to retrieve from Instagram. Use the appropriate functions to parse the JSON response from the API and extract the fields like follower count, engagement metrics, and post details. After successfully loading the data, verify that it appears correctly in the Data Manager or Data Model Viewer. Here, you can examine the data structure, create associations with other data sources, and resolve any potential issues. Finally, it's time to visualize your Instagram data. Create engaging charts, graphs, and KPIs within your Qlik dashboard to track your social media performance, identify trends, and gain valuable insights into your audience. Now you can make data-driven decisions with ease.